This is a new 2020 Road Glide Special with the limited two-tone paint set, billiard red, stone washed white, with the classic one logo. This bike has the massive 114 cubic inch engine, extended saddlebags. It's the Road Glide, so it has the awesome shark nose, high performance front suspension, just check out that racing stripe going down the center. This will stand out. And this bike has the RDRS equipped. And if you haven't ridden it, come down, test ride 7 days a week, because this bike will not last long here at Biggs Harley Davidson.